Today we will learn about how to make terrariums which can be kept in windowsill. See here, one Syngonium wendlandi and the neon pothos I have taken for making, and with this our small Dracaena is also there. It will look good. Welcome to KV's Plants and Orchids. Today we will make a terrarium. Terrarium is nothing but when you grow plants in sealed glass bottles or open bottles. Open bottles is very easy to maintain. Sealed bottles also people make. It can be a bottle or a glass square things like when in aquarium they make. For that what you need is you need a glass bottle, then some pebbles that we have to put pebbles like this. Here I have put some pebbles in the glass bottle in which we are growing. We are growing the plant. So, I have used some marbles also, you can see here. Then what we can do as a growing, it need a plant need, here we are not growing in water. So, you can put some river sand. So, why we are adding marble is, we are no, there is no hole below this glass bottle. So, we will know when we pour water, plant need water, no? As a medium to grow, it needs something to hold on. So, we will add some sand in the beginning. In this glass bottle, I am keeping a Syngonium wendlandi plant. So, let us keep slowly inside. Now, the plant is inside. Many cases people grow small plants also which will be sitting inside the container. In this case it has grown little bit big, so the leaves have come out. That's okay, because we will be keeping them in the windowsill or the drawing room table. So, when we grow like this, no, we can keep, they look beautiful, and now we can add some more sand. And since these plants need sunlight, it should be kept, this can be kept indoor, but nearby windows where it gets sunlight. See? We are not putting too much of sand, only this much. So, when small plants come, we can see from here. And we need to water also the plant. So, when you grow plants in terrariums, pour water very little only. As a, when you do fertilization, fertilize using, if you are organic fertilizer using, you can just when you soak dals in water, you can pour little bit of water as a fertilizer for this plant once in a week. Or if you are using organic fertilizer, then any NPK fertilizer in a diluted version you can use, not too much. Since the pebbles are below, you will know the water medium is how much water is there. Don't pour too much of water in a terrarium, it won't look good. Very little water is needed, because most of the time the water will come up and then it will go down. So, in the sealed terrariums, very rarely they pour water, but since this is an open container, so we can pour water little bit according to its requirements. When you feel since it is a river sand is used, you can see when now the sand is wet, you can see when the sand is dry, the color of the sand will be different, then you can pour water to it. So, it is always better to use a spray bottle for watering this type of terrariums. So, you will know the quantity when you pour it with just in another ways, it will be difficult for you to know. And now we have to clean the glass. This is an old container, that is why it is not very clear, otherwise it would have been very clear. I have another container also I will make, then I will show you. This is another one I have made. This is bottle is very old bottle. Actually, we were keeping fishes in it previously, so that it was because of that hard water linings are there. Otherwise, it would have been looking very good. This is a different container. It looks like this. So, these type of things you can keep in windowsill. See, now they are together. So, this type of terrariums you can use. You can use any type of glass bottle. It need not be a round fish balls like this. You can use any type. Here I have used a neon pothos, because it is going to sit in the windowsill. It will be nice if you use some colorful leaves, not the ordinary type of leaves plants. So, this is all about my terrarium making. If you like the videos, press the like button. If you are a first time viewer, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.